Nelson Integrated is a leader in custom automation systems for food manufacturing. For decades, the Nelson team has created proprietary product and case conveyors which stand the test of time in the harshest washdown environments. This product overview is focused on our MDR, or motor-driven roller systems, for case handling of both empty and filled cases. Our conveyors utilize stainless steel construction and come equipped with controls components rated up to IP69K. As an Intralux partner, our team has access to innovative technologies such as active integrated motion, or AIM systems, and active roller belt, or ARB systems, which allow for reduced conveyor footprints and active sortation. Additionally, our in-house mechanical and controls engineers have developed proprietary solutions such as four-way transfer mechanisms, which are easier to maintain and service than anything else on the market. When looking for conveyance in a washdown environment, Nelson Integrated is a one-stop shop for complete solutions.